The Soil Profile of India by Red News. India has a diverse range of soil that have developed under varying climate, topographic, and geological conditions. Here, a detailed overview of the soils you mentioned. First one, forest soil location. Found in the hilly and mountain region covered with the forest, especially in the Himalayan region, Western Ghat, Eastern Ghat, and some part of the Satpura and Vidyan range. Characteristics rich in organic matter due to decaying leaves and other forest litter. Varies in texture from loamy to silty and clay. Fertility developed on the type of vegetation cover and altitude. At the higher altitude, soil are acidic and less fertile, often prone to erosion due to steep slopes. Crops suitable for plantation crops like tea, coffee, spices, and some horticulture crops. Second, black soil, regular soil. Location found in the Sand Plateau region, covering states like Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, and parts of the Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Characteristics formed from the weathering of basalt rock, dark in the color due to presence of iron, magnesium, and alumina. Retain moisture for a long time, making it ideal for dry farming. Rich in calcium carbonate, magnesium, potash, and lime, but poor in nitrogen and phosphorus. Known for its ability to swell and shrink, causing deep crack during dry season. Crops ideal for cotton, sugarcane, groundnut, wheat, and pulses. Third one is alluvial soil. Location found in the northern plains, Indo-Gangetic plains, river valleys, and deltas of major rivers like the Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra, Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, and Kaveri. Characteristics deposited by rivers very fertile and widespread, rich in potash, phosphoric acid, and lime, but deficient in the nitrogen and humus. Two types: Khadar, new alluvium near riverbed, more fertile, and Bhangar, old alluvium away from river, contains concar to calcium nodules, fine granite and sandy loamy to clay in texture. Crops suitable for rice, wheat, sugarcane, pulses, and oilseeds. Fourth one is arid soil. Location found in and semi-arid regions, particularly in Rajasthan, Gujarat, western Punjab, and part of Haryana. Sandy and saline in nature with low organic matter, high calcium carbonate content, and poor in nitrogen and humus. Red or brown in color due to presence of iron oxide. Poor water retention requiring irrigation of cultivation. Often form salt crusted due to evaporation. Crops with immigration suitable for crop like barley, millet, maize, and pulses. Fifth one is lateral soil. Location found in area with heavy rainfall, high temperatures such as Western Ghat, parts of Odisha, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, and northern eastern states. Characteristics farm by intention, teaching due to heavy rain, leaving behind iron aluminum oxide. Red in color due to high iron oxide content. Poor in nitrogen, potassium, and humus, but rich in iron and aluminum. Hard and compact when dry, making it less fertile unless treated. Crops suitable for crops like tea, coffee, cashew, and coconut with proper fertilization. Sixth one is red and yellow soil. Location found in the part of eastern and southern India, including Odisha, Chhattisgarh, southern Karnataka, Telangana, and Tamil Nadu. Formed by weathering of metamorphic rocks, red due to presence of iron and yellow when hydride. Poor in nitrogen, phosphorus, and organic matter, but rich in iron and potash. Light texture, porous, and slightly acidic. Crops suitable for millet, pulses, cotton, groundnut, and orchard. These are the soils are integral to India agriculture diversity and influence the type of crops grown in different regions.